Are you interested in doing DoorDash but don't know what to expect? If so, then you're in the right place, because in today's video, I'm going to share with you exactly how it works, the 5 reasons why you should be doing DoorDash, and how to get signed up as fast as possible so you can start making money as soon as today. Let's go. Hello, my name is J. Lou and welcome to another J. Lou review. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is your first time on the channel, consider subscribing for more review videos just like this one. And go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you're reminded every time that I post a new video. DoorDash is a rideshare platform that allows restaurants to offer delivery on thousands of different food items without having to have any delivery drivers in-house or on staff. That's where you and I come in. Regular people like you and me can sign up on DoorDash to drive and deliver these food items as an independent contractor. Everything is handled through the online mobile application where the customer will place the order, sends it to the restaurant where the restaurant prepares the order, and then you or I as a delivery driver will go pick up that order and deliver it to the customer's location. DoorDash is offered in most metropolitan areas across the US. So if you're thinking about doing DoorDash, don't forget to check out and make sure that they have DoorDash in your area so that you can sign up as a driver. So in my opinion, DoorDash is a great idea. It's a smart business model. It solves a great need and provides value for a lot of different people, including people who want to make money as a delivery driver. So with that being said, let's break down the 5 reasons why you should be doing DoorDash right now. So number 1 is flexibility. DoorDash allows you to work as much as you want and whenever you want. Being that it is in the gig economy and the ride sharing world, this allows you to have so much flexibility to be able to fit it in with your schedule no matter what it looks like. So if you're a student and you go to school full time, you can do DoorDash on the weekends or after school. If you're a stay-at-home mom, you can do this during lunchtime. Or if you're somebody who just needs to make a little extra cash, you can always fit it around your regular 9 to 5 job. The great news is you can just sign on to the platform as long as there's a need, or you could set up a little bit of a schedule for the days upcoming where you can schedule and have a specific time, a specific block that you go out and do a dash. This is great because you don't have to be stuck to a schedule, as well as you can pick up extra hours whenever you need to. All you have to do is log on to the application, see when there's an available time slot for you to go out and do DoorDashes, or if the time is busy, you can usually just log on to the application and start driving immediately. So with this level of flexibility, there's no excuse as to the reason why you cannot do DoorDash. DoorDash provides you with this great opportunity to be flexible, and again, regardless of what your schedule looks like, you can fit it in so many different ways that fits your lifestyle and your season of life. Number 2 is that DoorDash is very simple and it's very easy. Just about anybody can do this. The main things that you need to know how to do in order to do DoorDash is you need to be at least 18 years old, have transportation, and know how to work and use a smartphone. That's about it. The DoorDash application is very user-friendly and it breaks down how to do a delivery step by step. So if you're wondering, if you're not sure if this is going to be something that you'll know how or be able to do, trust me, it's very simple and it's very easy to do. It shows you exactly what to do and when, so you can complete the order without any issues. So once you've gone out and done a handful of deliveries, trust me, you'll be doing this in your sleep. So the 3rd reason why you should be doing DoorDash is that you can make some extra money. Now this is probably the number 1 reason why people get started in doing DoorDash, and it's very obvious. You can make money doing so. And there's multiple ways that you can approach this. For instance, if you're somebody who is full-time either in a job or a student, you can do this as a side hustle to make some extra money. If you're saving up for a big ticket item, this is a great way to do that. Or if you're in a season of time where you're just trying to make ends meet and you have a deduction in your regular income for your main job, you can pick up DoorDash to help offset that reduction in income. Also, if you're looking to pay down some debt or some credit cards, DoorDash is a great way that you can go out and make some extra money almost immediately. There are some people who have gone so far to make DoorDash their full-time gig. Now, this requires some work and it requires a lot of hours. However, it is possible, and depending on the metropolitan area that you live, you can make a significant amount of money doing DoorDash. So regardless of where you fall in the spectrum, if you're looking to make some extra money on the side, this is a great way to do it. Number 4 is that DoorDash is extremely relaxed and chill. So if you know me, I'm kind of a laid back, easygoing type of guy. I like going out and riding in the car with the windows down and just listening to music, especially when the weather is nice. When I first thought about DoorDash, I thought that was a perfect opportunity, because I can just ride around listening to music or even podcasts or YouTube videos while working and making some extra money. Now, if you think of DoorDash versus another rideshare platform like Uber or Lyft, it's a little bit different. Why? Because you're going to have to deal with people. And there's nothing wrong with people, and I'm a people person as well, but it's a lot more relaxed and chill when it's just you and the food. So you don't have to worry about making conversations with people, or you don't have to worry about customer service or even customers doing things destructing your car. The only thing you have to worry about is getting to the restaurant on time and to the customer's location on time. That's about it. So if you're a person that likes listening to music, I highly recommend doing DoorDash for this reason. So the 5th benefit to doing DoorDash is that you actually get to discover new restaurants and new things in your neighborhood. When I first started doing DoorDash, I was going different places where I had actually never been to in the city that I live. I was going to pick up orders from different restaurants that I had never eaten. And sometimes the menu was looking pretty good, and once I got the food in the car, the food was smelling extremely good. So I had a short list of restaurants that I wanted to go and visit, and I would have never discovered those if I wasn't going around and doing DoorDashes. Also, you get a better feel of how the roads are in your area. You might even learn some shortcuts or some back roads that you had never traveled on before. So this is kind of a side benefit, but I think it's kind of cool that I get to discover more restaurants in my area, as well as get a better feel for how the roads are and a better sense of direction in my neighborhood. Just to recap the 5 reasons why you should be doing DoorDash. Number 1 is that it's flexible, allows you to do this regardless of what your schedule looks like, whether you have a 9-to-5 job or whether you're a student or if you're a stay-at-home mom. Number 2 is that it's very easy and very simple to do. Again, just about anybody can do this. Just be 18, have a smartphone, and have some transportation. Number 3 is that you can make some extra money doing this. Like I said, people turn DoorDash into their full-time gig, or if you're somebody who already has a full-time gig, you can do this to start saving up for a big ticket item or pay off some credit card bills. Number 4 is that it's relaxed and easygoing. It's very chill. It's much better than doing a Lyft or Uber if you like just kind of relaxing, or if you don't always like to deal with people. Number 5 is that you get to discover and learn more about your community by going to different restaurants and traveling on the roads that are right around you. So if you are now thinking that, yes, I want to sign up for DoorDash, I'm going to share with you the fastest way that you can get started so you can start making money as soon as today. In the description box below is a referral link. This will take you to the DoorDash website to get signed up. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to do. What you will do is provide a little bit of information, select your orientation, which you can do locally in your city, or you can do it online. After that, they'll send you the information as well as some materials to get started, and then you will schedule your first dash. Now, if you sign up through this referral link, you will actually get a sign-on bonus if you complete 60 deliveries within the first 200 days of signing up on DoorDash. Now, just to give you a little bit of an idea, I was able to complete 60 deliveries probably within the first 2 to 3 weeks of going out and doing DoorDash. When I first signed up, I was literally able to sign up, go to the orientation, and get started and start dashing in the same day. So if that's you and you need to make some extra money, wait no further, click through that link and get started right now. So if you have any questions about DoorDash, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you're already out there dashing, go ahead and leave a comment below sharing your personal experience doing DoorDash. That's all I got for you. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button. That helps the YouTube algorithm show it to more and more people who are interested in doing DoorDash. And again, if you are new to this channel and you like this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell. Until next time, this is Jay Lou with Jay Lou Views signing off.